Hello friends, today I will discuss the condition for maximum torque and also the maximum torque value for a three-phase induction motor. We know the general torque equation for a three-phase induction motor. T is equal to Kt into A into S divided by A square plus S square. Here Kt means it is K into E2 square by X2, where E2 represents the rotor induced EMF per phase at standstill condition, and X2 is the rotor reactance per phase at standstill condition. And here K is equal to 3 by omega S. So omega S means it is synchronous angular velocity. So therefore Kt can be written as 3 into E2 square divided by omega S into X2. So this equation, torque equation, can be rewrite like this, that is E2 square divided by omega S X2 into AS by S square plus S square. Here A means R2 by X2. R2 is nothing but the rotor resistance per phase. To know the condition for maximum torque, take the differentiation for this torque equation with respect to time and equate that to 0, that is dt by ds is equal to 0, that is with respect to a slip we differentiate it. We know du by dx, u by v differentiation, that is v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v square. Here u means as and v means s square plus a square. So then differentiating that with respect to slip, then we get s square plus a square d by ds of as minus as into d by ds of a square plus s square is equal to 0. And here at the bottom v square means s square plus a square whole square is equal to 0. Since s square plus a square whole square is 0, so this need not be taken into account. So then we get a square plus s square into a is minus a into s into 2s is equal to 0. And from this we can write a square plus s square into a is equal to 2as square, and after simplification we get s square minus s square is 0, or s square is equal to s square, or s is equal to plus or minus a. Here s is equal to plus a means r2 by x2, and s is equal to minus a means minus r2 by x2. The slip is positive for a motor, and we are discussing about the motor, so we take this s value. This is the condition for getting the maximum torque in the motor, whereas this s is equal to minus r2 by x2 is valid for generator in the generator characteristic. So when the s value is equal to this much, then the torque characteristic is at the maximum value, whereas here we are discussing about the motor, so we take only s is equal to r2 by x2, that is plus a only will be taken into account. Then substituting this in the original equation of the torque, the original torque equation is this: T is equal to 3 into E2 square divided by omega s x2 into as divided by a square plus s square. So here we replace this S with R2 by X2. Similarly, A is equal to R2 by X2. Then after simplification, once we substitute like this, then after simplification we get like this. The T max is equal to 3e₂² divided by omega s into x2, and here R2 by x2 whole square divided by 2 into R2 by x2 whole square. So this R2 by x2 whole square and this R2 by x2 whole square will get cancelled. Then finally we end up with 3e₂² divided by 2x2 into omega s. That is this. T max is equal to 3e₂² divided by 2x2 into k2, where k2 is nothing but 1 by omega s. So we have seen what is the condition for getting the maximum torque and what is the equation for the maximum torque.